like I said, the whole sort of breaking down of that company ended up costing me an extra 7K. So I'm stressed out of my mind, right? And then Max comes along and says, I'm actually doing hypnotherapy. I'm actually getting quite good results with it. Was it NLP as well?
Yeah, hypnotherapy, NLP. That's where I first started with NLP, and then I moved on to hypnosis.
Yeah, and I was like, like Max, like this is great, but I don't really believe in all this stuff. I just need to sort I need to sort my shit out. And he's like, well, let's just hop on Zoom. Let's just give it a go, and let's see if we can help each other out, because I want to pick your brain on some things, and maybe I can help you out with some stuff as well. I remember the first thing you asked me was, do you believe in hypnosis? And I said no. And then you said, are you, what's the word? Like, you get hypnotized easily, something along those lines.
Suggestible.
Yeah, that was it. So I said, well, I don't know. I've never actually tried it. And then you basically did something where you said, like, hold your hands and have your fingers apart. And when your fingers touch, you'll be in hypnosis. And that's literally the last thing I know, guys. Like, I just had a nap, woke up, and this guy's staring at me at the screen. It's like, what just happened? That was crazy. I remember, like, to this day, that was probably one of the most, like, the freakiest experiences I've ever had. But it did help.
The cool thing is, and that's what I like to do with people, is I like to give someone an experience, because like you said, like, that was 3 or 4 years ago that we did that.
2020, I think, or
2020. All right, 2020. And you'll never forget that. And I remember do you know what I mean? You'll never forget that. And you remember, because we programmed, if anyone listening is familiar with Pavlov's dogs, and something just called conditioning, we conditioned basically your microphone on your desk. It's easy. I even remember it. We conditioned your microphone on your desk to have that confidence when you would speak to clients, because like you said, you were dropping clients at one time, and you didn't want to go in with that needy energy. And I remember you then saying, I'm not sure how far it was after that, but you said you started getting some more clients again, didn't you?
Yeah. I was like I said, that was a whole crazy experience. And I definitely think I believe more in all of this now, post like session than I did back then. But yeah, it's like, when you sort of, like, when the pendulum swings, and you sort of get back into it, you build that momentum.
Yes.
Right after that call, it just started to go well again. I think it also comes down to how you approach those calls.
100%.
So, like, if you're more relaxed, which is obviously the whole reason why we had that session in the first place, was because I was losing clients.
Right.
So when I was getting on calls, I was needy. I wasn't willing to walk away from a deal if it wasn't a good deal. Usually clients can sense that, right? It's like approach a girl in the club. Like, if you come in needy, like, immediately,
buying her drinks, trying to,
that you'll repel, like, those girls. And it's the same with business. Like, if you come in wanting the deal more than them, chances are that'll never happen. But if you approach a call, or a sales call, or a deal as in, like, okay, we're going to potentially create a win-win situation. If it's not a win-win, then we both walk away, no hard feelings. It'll be much more relaxed for you, but also you'll notice that many more deals will go your way, because 100%. You've just separated yourself from the yes.
Definitely.
Walk away. And I've still got the same mic on my desk.
Love it. You'll never sell it. You'll be like 70 years old, still using the same mic. Like, it gives me confidence.
That's it. Yeah, 100%.